Hi guys, it's Talia and welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I'm going to be reviewing the Colourpop Sweet Talk Pressed Powder Palette. I'm going to be doing a review and swatches and a makeup look using the eyeshadow palette. Just to give you my thoughts, what I think about it, and also how good is this palette. I did got this at Ulta. They had this for, it was $18, which I thought it was a little pricey, but I used a coupon and on top of that, so I saved money. I'm gonna be going in with the Colourpop Sweet Talk palette. If you guys are not subscribed, go ahead and subscribe down below. Just hit that red button, notification bell, so you won't miss any videos of mine. If you like to subscribe, that's pretty much it, guys. We're gonna start with the palette. It looks like this is a Sweet Talk Pressed Powder Palette, 12 eyeshadow shades. I'm gonna go ahead and remove the package. So this is what the palette looks like. I like it because it's very reflecting and it's just really pretty. Back, it tells you the name of the shades and how many shades there is. Oh my gosh, when I first opened this palette, it was absolutely gorgeous. Just look at this color shades. I like the palette. The packaging is beautiful. How it reflects is just so beautiful. I really like this palette a lot, guys. Go ahead and do swatches for you guys to see how pigmented they are. There is 7 matte shades. There's 5 shimmer shades. So that totals up to 12 eyeshadow shades. I'm gonna go ahead and start swatching it in my arms just to give you an idea how it looks like and how pigmented they are. But swatch the Catch Me, which is this more like a transition shade right here. This one's a little bit more lighter, which is not very pigmented, but it is very light transition, which is not so bad. Go ahead and take Work It, which is more like a lighter brown shade. Okay, that one is very pigmented because it's more like an orangey shade, so I think this color is absolutely gorgeous, like for fall or for. I'm gonna go ahead and take Meadow, which is this shade right here. Whoa. Okay, so these two shades are absolutely pigmented. Dream Work, which is this shade right here. Okay, so that one is definitely more like in the pink tones, but I See Me, which is more like in a brown tone shade. Whoa, very pigmented, guys. I am not gonna lie, this is absolutely amazing. I'm starting to like this palette because just by swatching the shades on my arm, it just made me realize like how pigmented they are. The West Side, and this is more like in a brown tone, which is a very pretty brown tone. I like it. I'm gonna go in Peel Free, which is more like in a darker maroon brownish shade. Okay, so very pigmented, guys. This one is more as a transition shade, so I'm not really that upset with these colors, but these shades are very amazing. I start off with the glitter inside, which is this shade right here. So this is more like a lighter glittery, which is not so bad, but it's very pretty though. I like this shade. Garden Date, which is more like in a pink tone glitter. Ooh, this one's so pigmented. Oh my gosh, this is so beautiful. I like this color. It's so beautiful. Very rosy, pink, in the pink tones. Prima Dream, which is this one right here. This one actually caught my attention a lot. So see how, whoa, look at this. That is so crazy. So I'm gonna go ahead and apply it on my arm. Wow, this is beautiful, guys. Honestly, oh my gosh. Early Morning right here, which is more in the gold. So this one's not so bad. Can't really see, but it's more like a gold shimmer with Melody, which is this shade right here. Okay, it's not really brown, so it's more like a lighter. Are the 5 shimmer shades. They're absolutely gorgeous. Packaging itself is just so pretty. Start off with the eyeshadow palette. I'm super excited. I have no idea what look to go for. I'm gonna go ahead and take Catch Me, which is this shade right here. As my transition shade. So I'm basically going over my little bit lighter shade, so it doesn't really, like, it's not really that noticeable, but it does have this very nice lightly pink tone. But since I already primed my eyelid with concealer instead of with powder, I noticed that the pink tone is noticing more, like it's showing a little pop in the eye, so I really like that. So, and with the Work It shade right here, I am focusing in the outer and then bring it into my inner corner. I like to do my eyeshadow before my basic face. Well, I did the opposite. I did my whole makeup face, like the foundation, concealer, all that, and so far no fallout, guys. I am really impressed. And basically I'm just focusing more in the eyelid. I'm gonna blend the outer edge. Go in with the shade Wet Side, which is this shade right here. And then with this shade, I'm actually going to apply it in the outer corner just to give it a little smoke in the outer V. Basically, I'm just gonna like stop right in the middle center, and I'm not trying to really go to the inner corner. Then I'm just gonna go back with the Catch Me shade, which is what I used in my first transition, and I'm gonna go ahead and just blend the top, because I really want that lighter pink to reflect with these shades. Morphe brush, and I'm gonna basically do just a small cut crease, not too dramatic. Prima Dream. I'm just gonna apply it in my cut crease. Wow, that's very beautiful. Very shimmery and glittery. Of the brown shade, and I'm just gonna like blend the outer V just so it won't be like a harsh line in my cut crease, so everything can like blend in super well. Then I'm gonna go ahead and take the Catch Me, blend the top just to have that really nice pink tone. Prima Dream, there is a little bit of fallout with the glitter, so it is very glittery. I recommend is using the glitter from NYX. This is actually a great glitter glue primer for like glitters, like because they fall out so easily. I go in with my NYX matte liner. I go in with Ice Me, which is this shade right here, and with this shade I'm just going to apply my bottom lash line. I'm gonna go in with my Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara, and I'm just gonna apply mascara on my lashes. My Ulta Beauty mascara. Just apply a little bit of mascara on my bottom lashes. I'm gonna go ahead and take my Glow Kit from the Anastasia Beverly Hills Summer Shade Highlight Palette. Applied the tip of my nose, down the bridge of my nose, around my temple, forehead, on both sides. Same highlight, I'm actually going to apply it in the inner corner of my eye. I'm just going to take the summer shade and then just apply it in the inner corner just to give a little pop. Urban Decay All Nighter Setting Spray. I'm going to take my Kylie Cosmetic Dolce K lip liner. I'm going to go ahead and apply it on my lips. Birthday Suit lipstick. Colourpop lipstick, and this one is the Moonchild. Nice brown tone, and I just love the mix of it. Go back with the Anastasia Beverly Hills palette, and I'm gonna go ahead and apply the highlight on my Cupid's bow area, just to give a little highlight on the Cupid's bow. So this is the final eyeshadow look. I really like it. The eyeshadow is just very pretty. It was combining with like pink tones, brown tones, and the glitter shimmer is just absolutely gorgeous. In the bottom, I just want to go more like a pink tone on the bottom lash line. I'm really digging the eyeshadow. This is absolutely gorgeous, and not only that, but it's just super affordable. This palette, I'm so in love with it. I'm pretty sure I'm going to be using most of this color shades, the matte shades and the shimmers. They're just so pretty to use. Really love this, and the packaging, everything about this palette is absolutely beautiful, and I just love it. I do recommend this palette. It's such a cute palette. It's a very pretty colors. You can create so many looks with it. Another video of this palette, do like 3 looks in one palette. I'm not going to do this look, so I'm going to do something a little bit more different, just to give you ideas you can create with this eyeshadow palette. I hope that you guys enjoy this video. If you did, please give it a huge big thumbs up, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Bye guys.